Imagine buying a bathtub for $2 million. You have the cash in the bank, the purchase clears, and for a short time, you enjoy the luxury. But over a few years, that massive fortune begins emptying directly into a drain. That buyer was Mike Tyson. At his peak, he earned hundreds of millions of dollars and was one of the world's most feared athletes. By 2003, he was $23 million in debt. High income does not guarantee financial security. Meanwhile, a man named Ronald Reed drove a battered car, wore patched-up clothes, and worked his entire life as a janitor. When he died in 2014, he left behind $8 million. These two men were playing completely different financial games. Right now, we are going to build your personal financial freedom blueprint so you can start playing the one that actually works. Take a moment, grab a blank piece of paper, a pen, and your bank statements. We are going to construct this system together, step by step. Financial success follows a specific behavioral system. By mastering the habits we're about to outline, anyone, regardless of their starting income, can replicate the results of the world's most disciplined investors. Step 1. Write the word defense in bold letters at the top of your page. This is the foundation of your entire system. Creating initial wealth requires risk. It requires saying yes when others say no, which is how Jeff Bezos quit a stable Wall Street career to sell books out of a garage. It is how Elon Musk poured his entire PayPal fortune into untested rockets and electric cars, while onlookers thought he was losing his mind. Risk gets you in the door, but playing permanent offense eventually breaks you. Sam Bankman-Fried built FTX into a $26 billion crypto exchange. He kept gambling, he kept pushing, and in 2022, the entire operation collapsed into bankruptcy. Contrast that with Warren Buffett. He has never chased hype, crypto, or speculative moonshots. His entire strategy relies on defense. He hates losing money more than he loves making it. This chart compares a crashing speculative trend line against a smooth exponential curve. That curve represents the math of compounding, where your returns begin earning their own returns. Survival is the only prerequisite for this snowball effect to take over and build wealth. The purpose of your blueprint is to play defense. You want to survive long enough that your wealth compounding becomes inevitable. Step 2. We need to calculate your cost of freedom. People typically view saving as delayed spending for a nicer car or a bigger house. We are going to treat it as purchasing future options. Look at your expenses and calculate your absolute bare minimum monthly survival cost. Include your rent, your groceries, and your essential utilities. Write that number down. Now multiply that monthly survival number by 6. Write this result under your defense heading. This is your options fund target. When you have zero savings, quitting a toxic job with a brutal boss is a luxury you cannot afford. You are trapped by the need for your next paycheck. When you have 6 months of survival cash sitting in the bank, you can simply walk away. You're buying leverage. That exact number transfers control over your life from your boss and your landlord directly back to you, eliminating the daily fear of ruin. Step 3 requires acknowledging a strange paradox. True wealth is invisible. It is entirely defined by the money you choose not to spend. When someone pulls up in a brand new Ferrari, we assume they have money, but the only verifiable fact is that they spent $300,000. That wealth has left their hands, and they might be drowning in debt to maintain the appearance. The most financially secure people often look completely ordinary. They drive standard cars and live quietly because they prioritize holding on to their freedom over looking impressive to strangers. It's time for the invisibility audit. Open your bank statements from the last 30 days. Scan your transactions and highlight every purchase made strictly for status, brand appearance, or looking rich to someone else. Be honest with yourself about what those items actually do for you. Add up those highlighted numbers. That total is the exact amount of cash that can now be redirected directly into your options fund. You are going to stop paying to influence other people's perceptions, and you are going to use that money to fund your own independence. Step 4. We have to remove you from the process. When the market drops overnight, you do not feel like a rational investor. You feel panic, and your own emotional reaction becomes the single highest risk to your wealth. A reasonable strategy acknowledges that you will get scared and builds a system that functions even when you panic. Some people spend months researching the optimal strategy, building spreadsheets, and waiting for the right moment. They become paralyzed by the pressure of the perfect choice and never invest a single dollar. We are going to bypass that completely. Open your banking app right now. Configure an automatic transfer for the exact amount you found in your invisibility audit and schedule it to trigger the day after your paycheck clears. Set the destination to a simple, low-cost index fund. Once you hit confirm, close the app and ignore it. By putting this on autopilot, your investments will happen in the background. It is the only proven way to ensure your system outlasts your inevitable moments of temptation and fear. Look down at the piece of paper sitting in front of you. You have established your defense. You calculated the exact dollar amount required to buy your leverage. You audited your visible spending to find hidden cash, and you set up an emotionless, automated system to capture it. Keep this physical document visible. Put it on your desk or tape it to your wall. Managing your wealth is a daily behavioral practice. You need a constant reminder of the goal. By protecting this invisible architecture, you have shifted your focus from high-risk luck to the predictable math of compounding. Your system is now built to endure, allowing time and market returns to turn these automated actions into long-term freedom.